In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from MetaMask to your bank account using an exchange. First, it's important to know that MetaMask can't send money directly to a bank. It only holds crypto. To get cash in your bank, you need to send your crypto from MetaMask to a centralized exchange, sell it for your local currency, then withdraw to your bank. Open your MetaMask app or extension and unlock it. At the top, check you're on the right network where your tokens are. For example, Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain. Tap your account name to copy your wallet address. Now log into a crypto exchange that supports withdrawals to bank accounts in your country, and make sure your KYC verification is completed. Go to Deposit, choose the same coin you hold in MetaMask, for example ETH or USDT, and copy the deposit address and network. Back in MetaMask, tap Send, paste the exchange deposit address, select the same network, enter the amount, and confirm. Once the crypto arrives on the exchange, sell it for fiat currency, then use withdraw or cash out to bank and follow the prompts to send it to your bank account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.